swim. Push the water to the edge and watch it drip. Check your footing, don't get caught up in the rhythm.